Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, Thank you for the time. Now, I want to present about our paper. First, my name is Gede Bosio Parwita, and my team is Madhika Prasadewi. The third is Niputu Putra Intan Cahyani, and the last is Niputu Rati Indraswari. And the title of our paper is How Workload Discipline and Work Stress Affect Employee Performance. Background study. The development of an organization cannot be separate from the existence of performance. Must for every employee to achieve good performance so that the main goals of the company can be achieved. The second cannot be separate from the quality capacity employee is carrying out of the job is already their responsibility. Several factors that influence employee performance are workload, work discipline, and work stress. Quantitative workload is based on the amount of work, while qualitative workload is based on the abilities, skills, and potential of the workforce. This is reinforced by the result of research by Johanan Satria, Herdiana Sari, Weni, Pagabean, and showing that workload has a negative and significant effect on employee performance. However, this is different from research conducted by Putri et al., which shows that workload has no effect on employee performance. Fitria 2024 shows that workload has a positive effect on employee performance. Work discipline is a tool used by managers to communicate with employees so that they are willing to change their behavior and as an effort to increase awareness and willingness of a person to obey all company regulation and applicable social norm. So there is no to 2019. This is reinforced based on the result research by Antika, Wardani, Nupriyadi, Fitri, that's showing that work discipline has no effect on employment performance. Sani et al. 2023 showed that work discipline has no effect on employee performance. Kairuna 2024 shows that work discipline has a negative and significant effect on employee performance. Work stress is a tension that occurs due to several problems that cause employees to feel uncomfortable, anxious, and unable to think properly. The higher of the level of anxiety of employer, the higher their work stress they will experience, and vice versa. The lower and the level of anxiety and pressure in a company, the lower the level of work stress of employee. This is reinforced by the result of research by Chan, Sahabuddin, and Akbar, Rashid and Gias, and Shinki, showing that work stress has a negative significant effect on employee performance. Aditya et al. Showed that work stress has a negative significant effect on employee performance. Defilia et al. 2024 showed that work stress has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. Methodology. This research was conducted at PT LLC X Bali, which is located in Pemogan, and Pasar City. The census method determined the number of samples in this study because the population is less than 100. So all employees are used research respondent. In this study, the total population respondent who are used sample was 70, 57 employees. The data collection was done through documentation, interview, questionnaire, the data analysis. Technique used the research is multiple linear regression analysis. Result and discussion based on the result. Workload variable negatively and significantly affect employee performance. Four statement item describe the workload condition at PTLLCX Bali. All questions from the four workload statement relate to the amount of work given to employees. the difficult level, employee knowledge, and average skill. From the descriptive test result, the average workload variable is 3.71. The respondent perception of workload at PT LLC Bali is high. Work discipline variable have a positive and significant effect on employee performance. Five statement item describe the condition of work discipline at PT LLC. All questions from the five work discipline statement are related to attendance, adherence to work regulation and standards, high colors, and ethical. From the descriptive test result, the average work discipline variable is 3.72. The respondent perception of work discipline at PT LLCX is good. Statement regarding work discipline receive respondent that attempt to agree. 4. Work stress variable is has a negative and significant effect on employee performance. For statement item describe the condition of work stress. All questions from the four work stress statement are related to task demands, role demands, interpersonal demands, and organizational structure. From the descriptive test result, the average work stress level is 3.96, meaning the respondent perception of work stress is high. Statement regarding job stress get response that tend to agree. Conclusion based on the data analysis and discussion result, it can be concluded that workload and work stress have negatively and significantly affect employee performance at PTLCX Bali. This means that the higher of the workload and work stress of employees, the lower employee performance. Meanwhile, work discipline positively and significantly affect employee performance at PT LLC Bali. This means that the higher the level of employee discipline, the better employee performance will be. The limitation in this study is that scope of this research is only at PT LLC X Bali, has a sample size of 57 respondents, so that research cannot be generalized. The study only focus on workload, work discipline, and work stress. In contrast, many other variables affect employee performance, such as work environment, work loyalty, and their organizational commitment, compensation, job satisfaction, and work-life balance. With this diversity, the result of change are expected to be generalized to a wide scope. This result was only conducted with a certain period. At the same time, the environment can change at any time, so this research need to be conducted again in the future. The management of PTLCX Balik can improve employee performance by optimally managing workload and work stress and strengthening work discipline. The company can prevent a decline in employee productivity by reducing excessive workload and creating a supportive work environment to reduce stress. On the other, by installing a strong culture of discipline through consistent policy, training, and proper supervision, management can drive significant improvement in employee performance. This finding provide a clear basic for strategic discussion making in human resource management at PT LLCX Bali. Thank you for your listening. That's all for our paper. Thank you. And Om Santi Santi Sudam.